Welcome to the Nature Farms, a luxurious and an ambitious project that ensure top-notch standard of living. The Nature Farms is located in the close vicinity of Dune Expressway NH 72, opposite Dune College and only 200 kilometers from Delhi. The bird's-eye view of this prestigious project highlight the entire layout area in its true beauty that elevate your spirits. A project amidst the beauty of nature and a home away from city bustle. An ultra-lush green environment with a grand entrance welcomes you to a world of serenity for your family and generations. Some part of the site is dedicated to various amenities such as hotel in 7,500 square yard, shopping complex in 800 square yard, and a clubhouse with a recreational area and a park. Welcome to an environment filled with joy. A beautiful scenery of mountains is visible from every part of the site, which makes this site a great investment for your future. Welcome to an iconic experience of prosperity and beautiful living. Welcome to Nature Farms, a world of luxury.